Case study: AI-driven transformation in vulnerability management, multi-sectoral case studies, and future prospects. A sophisticated AI system can be the linchpin in transforming vulnerability management from a reactive to a proactive discipline. At the heart of this transformation lies the case study of Global Tech, a multinational conglomerate facing the mounting pressures of cyber threats. The company's IT division, led by CTO Dr. Emily Wright, was tasked with overhauling the existing cybersecurity framework. The traditional systems were labor-intensive and slow, often resulting in the delayed identification of vulnerabilities, making the organization prone to frequent breaches. Dr. Wright's team decided to pivot towards AI-driven vulnerability management after evaluating the inefficiencies of their current setup. The first step in this transition was to integrate IBM's AI-powered cybersecurity solution. This system utilized machine learning algorithms to analyze network traffic, user behavior, and transaction data to detect anomalies potentially indicating security threats. Could the implementation of AI reduce the time taken to identify vulnerabilities compared to the manual methods previously employed? Within the first 3 months of integrating AI, Global Tech observed a significant reduction in the time required to detect vulnerabilities. According to an internal study, the average detection time decreased by 27%, aligning with IBM's findings. This was a promising start, but the team still needed to address the accuracy of these detections. How could they ensure that the AI system would minimize false positives, which might otherwise lead to wasted resources? The solution lay in continuous model training and validation. By incorporating a feedback loop, the AI system learned from past incidents to refine its anomaly detection capabilities. This iterative process reduced false positives by 15% over 6 months, allowing the cybersecurity team to focus on genuine threats. However, the question remained, could AI proactively identify vulnerabilities before they became exploitable? Dr. Wright's team turned to predictive analytics, utilizing AI to anticipate potential vulnerabilities based on historical data and trends. Through pattern recognition and predictive modeling, the system flagged vulnerabilities with a high likelihood of being exploited, facilitating preemptive measures. This proactive stance led to a reduction in successful cyber attacks by 30%, illustrating AI's capacity to fortify an organization's defenses. The financial sector presents another compelling application of AI in vulnerability management. At SecureBank, the Chief Information Security Officer, Mark Thompson, faced the daunting challenge of protecting sensitive customer data against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Traditional security measures were proving inadequate. Thompson's team implemented an AI-based system to continuously monitor network traffic and user behavior, identifying deviations that could indicate potential breaches. What metrics should they use to measure the effectiveness of this AI system? Over a year, SecureBank evaluated the AI system's performance based on the reduction in fraudulent transactions and the speed of threat detection. The results were impressive. The incidence of fraud decreased by 30%, and the average response time to potential breaches improved by 40%. These metrics confirmed the system's efficacy, yet it also raised another question. How could AI be leveraged to enhance customer trust in the bank's cybersecurity measures? The answer lay in transparency and communication. SecureBank launched an awareness campaign, educating customers on the AI-driven security measures in place and how they protected their data. This initiative not only bolstered customer trust, but also highlighted the broader impact of AI on organizational security culture. In the healthcare sector, the Mayo Clinic faced unique cybersecurity challenges due to the sensitive medical data it handled. Dr. Sarah Lee, the Chief Medical Information Officer, spearheaded the adoption of AI technologies to safeguard patient data against potential breaches. They deployed an AI-based system to monitor the network of medical devices, identifying vulnerabilities that could compromise patient safety. How could the team ensure that the AI system adhered to strict regulatory requirements in the healthcare industry? Dr. Lee's team collaborated closely with regulatory bodies to ensure that the AI system complied with healthcare standards. They implemented rigorous validation protocols and conducted regular audits to align with industry regulations. This meticulous approach not only secured patient data, but also enhanced compliance. Within 6 months, the system identified and mitigated several critical vulnerabilities, preventing potential breaches and reinforcing the clinic's cybersecurity framework. The energy sector also reaps the benefits of AI in managing vulnerabilities. EnergyNet, a leading energy provider, faced the growing threat of cyber attacks on its critical infrastructure. CIO John Harris led the initiative to incorporate AI-driven systems that monitored data from sensors and control systems, detecting signs of cyber threats. How could they quantify the impact of AI on the security of their infrastructure? EnergyNet set clear benchmarks for measuring the AI system's impact, such as the reduction in successful attacks and the resilience of their infrastructure. Following the implementation, the company experienced a 45% reduction in successful cyber attacks over a year. This significant improvement validated the investment in AI, prompting further exploration of AI's potential in enhancing operational security. AI's role extends to advanced vulnerability management platforms like Tenable.io, which uses machine learning algorithms to assess and remediate vulnerabilities. By predicting the likelihood of exploitation, the platform helps organizations prioritize vulnerabilities based on their potential impact. How can organizations optimize their remediation efforts using AI? Tenable.io provided organizations with actionable insights, enabling them to allocate resources efficiently. Companies using the platform reported a 40% improvement in vulnerability management efficiency, highlighting the transformative potential of AI in streamlining cybersecurity processes. This efficiency also raised questions about the scalability of AI-driven systems in larger organizations with complex infrastructures. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data makes it indispensable in threat intelligence. CrowdStrike's AI-driven platform, Falcon, analyzes data from over 1 trillion events daily to identify potential threats. How can organizations leverage such platforms to stay ahead of emerging threats? By aggregating and correlating data from multiple sources, Falcon provided a comprehensive view of the threat landscape. Organizations could identify trends and emerging threats in real time, enabling a proactive approach to cybersecurity. This capability significantly enhanced their threat mitigation strategies, exemplifying AI's role in fortifying digital defenses. Despite these advancements, challenges remain. The potential for AI systems to generate false positives can lead to unnecessary remediation efforts. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI requires continuous training and validation of the underlying models. How can organizations balance the benefits of AI with the risks of false positives? One approach is to adopt a hybrid model, where AI systems flag potential threats and human analysts validate them. This collaborative approach minimizes false positives while leveraging AI's speed and efficiency. Additionally, addressing ethical considerations such as data privacy and algorithmic bias is crucial to maintaining trust in AI-driven systems. The future of AI in vulnerability management looks promising. Advances in deep learning and reinforcement learning can further enhance threat detection and response mechanisms. These technologies can enable more sophisticated cybersecurity strategies, leading to more robust infrastructures. How can organizations stay updated with the latest AI advancements to maintain a competitive edge in cybersecurity? Continuous investment in research and development, along with partnerships with AI experts, can help organizations stay at the forefront of AI innovations. Regular training and upskilling of cybersecurity teams ensure they are equipped to harness the full potential of AI technologies. In conclusion, AI has revolutionized vulnerability management by enhancing the detection, assessment, and mitigation of vulnerabilities. Through various case studies, we see how AI-driven systems can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of cybersecurity processes across sectors. Thought-provoking questions such as the metrics for measuring AI's effectiveness, the balance between AI benefits and false positives, and strategies for staying updated with AI advancements encourage critical thinking and deeper engagement with the lesson material. By integrating AI, organizations can proactively address potential threats, optimize remediation efforts, and fortify their digital defenses, paving the way for a more secure digital landscape.